Jess from Decoist, and today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful rustic DIY galvanized tray. For this project, you will need some small wooden dowels, some large wooden dowels, Rust-Oleum espresso spray paint, a paintbrush, magnifying glass, brown, black, white, and gray paint, a plastic tube about 1 inch thick, some vinegar, and some leftover baking pans. Prepare the tray surface by wiping with vinegar. This will help bring out the shine and clean the surface at the same time. Start by painting the inside of your tray first. Using an old plastic bag, dip it in your paint. I'm going to start with gray, and then dab the excess paint onto the plate, and now into the tray. So my pans are drying and I've gone ahead and painted my dowels brown. Next, I'm going to cut my tube into an 8-inch piece and a 6-inch piece. Now I'm going to glue the wooden dowels around the tube. My dowels are done, and now I'm going to glue these onto the pan. I popped the lens out of a magnifying glass and galvanized it. Now I'm going to secure it at the top. Ta-da! A galvanized rustic tiered tray. Perfect for any farmhouse kitchen. Let's go get this set up. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and leave us a comment below to let us know which DIY video you want to see next.